Well, here it is. This is an Icom IDAS module. You see it there. A little socket that plugs into the transceiver. Now, IDAS is Icom's digital land mobile radio system, according to their blurb. But possibly in the amateur world, we'd know it better as NXDN. And Icom use it, and I believe Ken would also use it. Now, the more modern Icom commercial radios can be upgraded with this module so that they'll, as well as FM, will also do NXDN. So let's open up the 6062 I've got, see if we can fit the module. So I've taken the 6062 out of the housing, so let's just take the covers off it. Okay, so if you can see that, there's already a module in here which I believe is for channel expansion or something similar. I'll actually give you more channels. That's the module here on the right, and you can see there's one here that says DSP only, and I believe that's where our IDAS module will sit. So I'll just check that because I've not opened this 6062 before. I didn't even realize there was a module in there. So we'll check to see what this one does and just confirm that our IDAS digital module goes into that slot. So sure enough, our module is going to go into the DSP slot. I'll check what that module does. That should be interesting. I didn't know there was a module in there already. As I said, it's the first time I've had this radio open. Never needed to open it up before. Let's get our module. You can see it's got a little plug on it which will align with the slot in the radio. I'm not sitting in there now. Hopefully you can see that. I'll just bring it up so it's side by side with the other one there. And I'll just check it's fully home. And that seems to be fine. Right, okay, we'll just get the cover back on, and then we'll have the module installed. Of course, it's not as simple as putting that in and everything's digital with these commercial radios. The 6062, it'll need to be programmed. I know nothing about NXDN. The only reason I'm doing this is because a friend of mine also has one of these modules. We managed to get a pair of them. So we'll be able to do some simplex experiments, and I'm also hoping that I'll be able to get it to work through my ZUM spot, my hotspot, and maybe access some NXDN talk groups, some amateur talk groups as well via that. But we'll have to look at the programming side of it next, just to see how we program up the NXDN part of the radio.